10 most terrifying zebra hunting moments in the world. Let's discover the dramatic and fierce deer hunting moments with deer and antelope right now. Zebras roam the wild fields. It was targeted by the newspaper family without knowing it. They attacked the horse, not knowing that today the horse has a daughter. It runs out to hunt leopards. An unfortunate leopard cub was trampled to death by a horse, and its mother was very sad, called 500 brothers to hunt and finally avenge the cubs. A horse loves life alone, walking in the field, jumping up and down. Unfortunately, it fell into the lion's trap. Ahead there was a lion lurking in the dust that made the horse reflexively jump up and run straight ahead. Unexpectedly, the other two lions, stood there waiting for it to jump up and hug its neck to bite. A lion is grabbing a horse by the neck in the grass. After the horse died, it called on its fellow cannibals to celebrate. Look at them eating very well, competing to tear pieces of fresh meat. In the distance, the antelopes were very angry. They tried to rush, but there was a lion standing guard that scared them. They had to run away. Two horses are sunbathing very happily. One lion lunges at one, the other gets scared and runs away from you. It jumped straight on the horse's back and bit. It kept spinning, causing the lion to fall. Suddenly, the horse fell forward because of dizziness. The lion was walking when he suddenly saw a herd of horses drinking water. It jumps like flying to catch one. The horse tried to resist because the lion hugged him, bit his neck, kicked his leg with all his strength so he couldn't stand up straight. The lion lay looking at the delicious herd of horses. It wants to eat, but the time has not come. Seeing it falling down, the lion ran out because it was too hungry. Unexpectedly, it was a trap that the lion could not catch. The horse had just given birth and was already looking for foods. Unfortunately for it, the lion caught it. Antelopes are also afraid of not being able to do anything. In the video above, we witnessed the scary scene when a lion goes hunting. If I met a lion in real life, I wonder what it would be like. The video ends here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you, and see you again.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give us some comments to share your opinions. Like and subscribe to the channel so we have more motivation to make better videos for you every day. See you in the next video of the channel. Don't turn off your computer, because let's discover more with us.
I'm living my life, ain't no stopping. standing tall, I won't fall. Blah blah trying to bring me down, but I don't listen, I'm on higher ground. It don't matter what the haters say, I keep moving forward, I won't stay. Keep talking, I keep walking, I'm living my life, ain't no stopping. Blah blah doesn't faze me at all. I'm standing tall, I won't fall. I won't fall, no, I won't fall. They can say what they wanna say, but I won't let it get in my way. I won't fall, no, I won't fall. I'm gonna shake off the words they throw. I'll rise above and let it go. They try to break me, tear me down, but I won't let them, I won't be bound. I'm words like arrows, sharp and cruel, but I'm unbreakable, I'll play it cool. They keep talking, I keep walking, I'm living my life, ain't no stop. The blah blah doesn't faze me at all. I'm standing tall, I won't fall. I won't fall, I won't fall. They can say what they wanna say, but I won't let it get in my way. I won't fall, I won't fall. I'm gonna shake off the words they throw. I'll rise above and let it go. Maybe they're right, maybe there's a crack, but I won't let it break, I'll fight back. Gotta find a healing, gotta mend these scars. Even broken bridges leave their marks. They keep talking, I keep walking, I'm living my life, ain't no sign. Blah blah doesn't faze me at all. I'm standing tall, I won't